Stop right there. Are you looking for foreign clients? Let me shock you. Right now, Claude can help you generate quality clients from America, from the UK, and Canada that you can sell your offers to. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can generate foreign leads all by using Claude. Not just that, you can also do this for businesses and make money. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. This is going to be massive. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. Welcome to these amazing videos. I'm going to be breaking this down in a few minutes. So this is the AI prospecting system. This is how anybody, no matter the skill that you have, how you can get foreign clients using AI. All right, and this is just more of using AI tools. Somebody in Nigeria right now is making more money and they do the same thing that you do. You know why? Because these guys are actually closing US, UK, Canada, Australia clients. I've done this in the 12 years of my life in this industry, and I can tell you that these guys are the best people to ever work with because they are willing to pay you more money. And by the time you convert what they are paying you to Naira, I can tell you that you can easily secure the bag faster than you can ever imagine. I know people who are right now doing sales closing and they're targeting the US, UK, and they're making a lot of money. So that's to tell you that this is the best time to start targeting the US, UK, Canada, and Australia leads, even Germany leads, to make you a lot of money for what you do. Talent and skill are not enough. It is more than that. You need to start attracting the right people who can pay you what you are worth and pay you in foreign currency, right? Okay, so what we're going to be using some set of tools, and you guys will see what it looks like. Most people fail at getting foreign clients because they're just doing it anyhow. They're just praying and hoping for a foreign client to come. That's not the approach, all right? So what you should really do is to use the AI powered approach, because if you have to do it by yourself, which is the old method, you're going to go through a lot of stress. But with this AI method, you can easily get things done. In fact, you can even start generating leads for companies and helping them put things together. All right. So we're going to be using Claude for this. All right. Claude is going to look out for businesses, what they need. All right. It's going to help us find, their data, such that we can now start doing outbound marketing. So the prospecting system is very simple. I'm going to do the practicals now. It's going to start by finding the leads for you, to analyze it, to create the full package for you. You can reach out to them, you can close them, and even do your follow-up. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is to go to Claude, right? So we're going to go to Claude now. So this is Claude. This is what Claude looks like, and you see. So click on continue with Google. I want to use my email because okay, so I'm going to use this email right here. So just follow me. So this is what it looks like. So there are some things on Claude that we call connectors. So if you scroll down right now, let's see if we can find connectors. These are connectors. How did I get here? Let me take you back. I went straight down and I use this button here. Connectors are right here. So there are some connectors here, so you can add a new connector. So click on the plus button and you can search. There is a connector called Vibe Prospecting. This is it, 68 most popular. So what does it do? It finds companies and their contact data. That's what it will do for you. So I'll click on connect now, and I would get this message to authorize. So I would agree and allow access. So just wait and see what is going to happen now. So I'll continue with the same Google. I don't want to be signing in and signing out. So I love to continue with Google every time. It makes it easy for me. So I have to approve. So you can see now I clicked on continue and now it's loading perfectly. So let's see. So now we are here. So it's connected now. So since it is connected, let me talk to you a bit about what this does. So this is what it says. Turn your Claude agent into a prospecting platform. Find any company or professional right in your Claude. Get their contact information, their roles, their tech stack, their business event, their website changes, their intent data, and much more. Build lead list, research prospect, identify talent, craft personalized outreach. Vibe Prospecting delivers fresh business-to-business data backed by 50 plus data sources. Now, you as a person, how do you get your data sources? You know where you're going to go to. You go to L. But this one here makes it easy for you. So he has over 150 million plus companies and 800 million professionals with verified contact information, firmographics, technographics, hiring trends, intent signals, and much more. This is catchy, and you should really use this. This is from a company called fireprospecting.ai. So without wasting time, let's make use of this. Example, say that I am a social media manager and I actually want to attract people that are into baking, or let's just say plumbing, because they are too busy, so they're not even posting on their socials. So I want to target them. What would I do? Step one is I'm going to go to my chat GPT. This is my chat GPT right here, and I'll take a bold step plumbers. They are too busy. So I'm a social media manager and I want to attract these plumbers. I want to do a cold email to them. All right. So just so I can close them and work with them. So what I would do is to come to ChatGPT and say that I want to use vibe prospecting. I want to use vibe prospecting on Claude. All right. I want uh plumbers. I want plumbers in California. Plumbers in California who will need, all right, my services as a social media manager. All right. And then I come on to now say that act like a professional AI lead gen expert. All right. AI lead gen expert. All right. Write the prompt. Write the perfect prompt for this. So let's see what this is going to write for us. I don't want us to, there are one or two things we're going to look at, but let's see. You're an elite B2B lead generation specialist. Your task is to find plumbers in California, USA, who are highly likely to need social media marketing services. Do not give generic lists. Only return businesses that match at least three of these indicators: weak or outdated social media presence, low followers, inconsistent posts, poor branding, active website but no clear marketing funnel or lead capture, running Google ads but no visible social media strategy, poor Google reviews, no video content, recently started business, competitors in your area have stronger presence. For each lead, provide me with a business name. Look at how brilliant this is. The business name, the location, the website URL, their social media links, their brief analysis, estimated opportunity level, suggested outreach angle, residential, focus on residential and commercial plumbing companies, right? Small to mid-sized businesses. Prioritize quality over quantity. Give me the best top 10 best opportunities. Think step by step. So copy this right here. This is good. This is beyond what a human will think about normally. The way it was organized. Look at how organized this is. So let's put that in here, and let's say use, because that's important. Use vibe prospecting. All right, you already installed it, so you can use it. Use vibe prospecting. So let's see what comes up now. Let's see what comes up now. All right. So let's see. So it's searching available tools to find prospecting. So I'm sure it has found it now. Okay. So three steps. All right. Let's go. Allow, always allow, always allow, right? So vibe prospecting has been triggered because we mentioned vibe prospecting. So it has been triggered now. Allow, always allow. You can see that we have the datas now. We have, let's look at them. We have Waitings Plumbing, we have the revenue, 7 years of experience, but zero detected social networks connected to their web presence. Can you imagine? No pixel, no targeting, no marketing stack. All right. Bay City. Now it goes on like that, and this can even give us all the contacts and everything about them. So this is a summary of all of them, right? So in case you now want to do your outbound marketing, you can do that. So let me generate this as a CSV. I want a CSV. Remember, we said we want top 10, we want the best 10. We didn't say that we wanted 50 or 100. So the more you command AI, the better the results that you get. So always allow via prospecting to export to CSV, all right? Your Excel sheet thing, so that it can be very easy for you. So that's going on already. So my CSV is ready now. So I can open my CSV. I have 133 rows. I'm wondering why it's that long, but let's see what it looks like. So it's coming up already. Let's see what this looks like. It's coming up already. So I think it wants to connect. It should connect, really connect. So let's see the CSV file, what it looks like. It's going to take us back to Vibe Prospecting as a platform, and we can see downloaded. Can we see downloaded, please? All right, just a second. On. Oh, this is the data. So let me just click on it and scroll down, download as CSV. All right, so it's downloading as CSV already. So I have the CSV. Let me open this in WPS since I was using a phone for this. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so look at the data. look at the data. So we have a lot of data right here, right? We have the data right here. We can now start scraping for their phone numbers. We can do that ourselves, but we've gotten what we needed majorly from this. So you can see how powerful this is. So this is just a part one of how you can use AI to get hot leads all on your smartphone. So you guys should watch out for more. I'm going to share more about this. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, place a comment right there in the comment section telling us how valuable this video is to you. And I hope you go ahead and implement what you have learned. I can tell you this is the age and time where AI prospecting works like crazy, right? AI lead generation works like crazy, and you shouldn't really joke with it. It's so interesting, and it can make you a lot of money if you are smart. You can as well sell leads to companies. That's to let you understand how valuable this is. So get to work now. See you guys in more practical videos from this channel. I love you so much, guys. Bye for now.